Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I'm going to catch up with Big In. He's working on an ultralight open range, and while it was in here for a wheel bearing pack, we found a couple cracks in the I-beams. This is a Lippert frame, but it is only under a 3-year warranty. We actually called to see if we could get it covered under their warranty, but they actually declined it, which is no big deal. I mean, we understand. Let's see what year. This one is a July of 2019. And back here, let's see if we can see what's going on. Biggin's currently on the other side doing some welding. And as you can see over there, he's welding and there's actual stuff. He hasn't painted this side up yet, but he's ground out the crack, drilled it out, welded it back, grounded it down, installed the plate, welded it in place, and then, you know, he's got to come back and paint it. But other than that, you know, we're always checking for frame cracks in the I-beams and, you know, other little miscellaneous things. We're looking for things on the front ends. So let's see if we can spy on him real quick without him noticing. He doesn't like us to videotape him. So there he is underneath doing some welding. So anyways, if you have problems with your frame or suspension and you'd like us to do an inspection, give us a call. If you haven't already joined any of our Facebook groups, we have a lot of Facebook groups on our website with a link that you can get to access any of those. A lot of them are basically off the brands of the coach for the most part. We don't actually happen to have an open range one, but we got an RV tips and tricks that's there. So if you haven't joined those, please feel free to do so. We use this as a platform to help share like updates and what's going on with your coach, things that we're working on in the shop, things that we encounter. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy this. Have a good day.